Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the Angular control flow. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So the Angular template support control flow blocks that lets you conditionally show, hide or repeat the elements. Conditionally display the content with @if, @else if and @else. So how we are going to use this one? So at the rate if condition content to display if the condition is true, at the rate else if another condition, at the rate else content to display if none of the above conditions are true. Key benefits: cleaner templates, removes the clutter of the multiple ngIf directives, JavaScript like syntax familiar to developers transitioning from the JavaScript TypeScript, improve performance, reuse variables and avoid recalculating the conditions. So let's have already I have made a code. So at the rate A is greater than B, then A is greater than B, right? And is less than, then this will print at the rate else. So multiple else if condition you will do like this in your Angular templates. Okay. And here we have defined A and B values. If I just save it and just run it, so 10 is less than 20. So this will go because a number is 10 and the 20, and which condition it will pick? This one. A is less than B. If I just change it to 30, then automatically it will update 30 is greater than 20. Okay, so this is the conditional control flow syntax that we can use in our Angular project. Okay, there's a one more thing that I have added, that is status. There's the same one. You can just add the status. Okay, like this you can just define status. I need to define. Okay, so let's, here we have the status, right? Okay, here we have this, right? Status. There is an issue in the else if condition. Let me just, there is, it should be like this. Okay, control v, control z. Here I need to update like this. So it should be like this. Else, not hyphen, like this. Okay, let's remove this, right? And if I go over there, the user is active, because status, if it is active, the user is active. Else if status is inactive, the user is inactive, and the status is unknown. If I just mention it like, I'm not going to add anything, save it, status is unknown. Okay, so this is how you can use the control flow if else condition like this also, in spite of being the ngIf directive, right? Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. I think there would be a key benefits which you have already discussed. I think there is one more thing. Why use at the rate if instead of ngIf? Features at the rate if and the ngIf. Okay, so readability. First point is readability, cleaner and the JavaScript like. Okay, and here ngIf requires multiple ngIfs, right? Else if support, built-in else if support, right? No direct equivalent, right? So scoping variables, inline variables you can use. Declaration requires workaround right now. Complex conditions, easy nesting, and can become verbose. Okay, so this is the thing that we can go with that one. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.